Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see someone's location on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to see someone's location which you use iPhone or iOS device, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So if you want to check someone's location, there may be option available that the person has shared your location, their location on your Find My device. So if you want to know about how it does it work, so you have to watch carefully. So what you have to do, you have to be, first of all, go to settings and you have to turn on the location. So here you have to simply search for the location, and after that you have to simply make sure that you have turned on the location services on, and you have allowed location services to the app, Find My app. So here you can simply turn on these settings, and the next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the Find My here, and you have to simply look for the person which have recently shared their location. So how does it work? So you have to simply click on start sharing location, and you have to select the person you want to share your location, and after that that person will be able to see your location anytime in Find My app. So you have to simply make sure that if you want to see anyone's location, they have shared your location. Otherwise, you will not be able to see anyone's location on iPhone iOS 18. So if you want to see location, you have to make sure that they have shared their location by simply clicking on Find My, and after that you have shared clicking on start shared location, and they have sent you your location. And if they have changed the location, then you will find their real location on iPhone Find My. So hope you have liked this video, and get more videos like these you can subscribe our channel.